So, e-learning tutorial. This video I would like to talk about how users enroll to your course. This is very important after you build the course already, right? In the previous video, you already practice or make a new course, your course, and right now is start to your users start to learn your course by pass the gate. The gate is enroll to your course. Who will enroll to your course? The student, guests, or everybody who want to learn in your course, they can learn and enroll to your course. And when they enroll to your course, when you are ready to set up the course, so every time they want to enroll, they can enroll. Usually they will enroll after the students enroll after they register in REG, and then you can ask them to enroll to your course. And then what they need to enroll, device that they need to enroll is usually handphone, tablet, or PC. But mostly students use handphone like iPhone or Android is compatible to enroll in your course. If they have iPad or PC or laptop, it's better than cell phone. And where they can enroll everywhere, in their room, in the classroom, in their hometown, everywhere they have good connection, internet connection. So as long as they have good internet connection, they can enroll. So how to enroll? So this video will guide you how to use the enroll system. So let's start. Are you ready? Okay. Again, I will start with login. Login first with your username and password. Click login. Okay. And then choose your course. I will try to use this for example. And then next step is look at the panel administration. It could be this panel, it will be in this right side, on the below, on this side or in this side. You can look at. There is panel administration, and then look at button user. Button user in here. Click button user. You can see enroll user, enrollment methods, group, and permission. Okay. So please focus on enroll user. Click enroll users. You can see the page like this. Did you open already? Okay. After you click enroll users, you can set up enrollment methods. In here, there is 3 options: manual, self-enroll, or guest access. My suggestion is please choose all, so everything can enroll. Manual enroll is mean only you as a teacher can enroll the students or learner to study in your course. Self-enroll is mean the student can enroll by themselves. Guest access is mean the people outside of who are not study in RS1 or alumni, they can access to your course. Okay, so right now I will guide you to enroll as a manual enroll. As manual enroll, you can click enroll users in here. Click enroll users. you can find the panel enroll users. You can choose students or none. Yeah, please choose students. There is a database about your students. Just type the student ID, for example, like this. Yeah, 5 4 5 1 1 9 2 2. Yeah, and then search. You can click search. This guy, and then you can enroll. You can enroll this one. Click enroll, and then finish enroll users. Okay, it's very easy. Or you can click the name. Yeah, name. Yeah, so you can click name this in here. API. Search again. Finish enroll. Okay. Click again. Enroll users, and then you write the name. For example, Darlin. Darlin Apas Srawirote. Okay, search, and then you can enroll. So this picture is very helpful to help you to find to identify the student. Okay, that is the simple way as a manual enroll. And after that, after you enroll, we'll show in this part. Yeah, we'll show in this part. This is for example. In another, yeah, they will see the student or guest who enroll in your course. So that's why my suggestion is please put the picture, profile picture, so you can recognize them easily, right? Okay, next step is type of enrollment is self-enrollment by students using laptop or PC. Yeah. Right now I'm using laptop. I will try to enroll, right? Okay, let's start to enroll like this. Again, log out again, log out, continue. Now I will enroll. I will choose one of the course. Okay, and then ask the students to type your ID course or name of course. For example, I will study English. English, the ID course 001212. Just click the ID or the name, click. Okay, and you can see the blue button enroll me. Just click enroll me, automatically you will enroll to that course. Yeah, if they provide a password, you should ask to the teachers, Mr. Michael Cote, to give you the password so you can enroll. But my suggestion is please set up no password or enrollment key because it's make complicated. But if you want to make a password in or make enrollment key, you can make it. You can make it in setting. Okay, this is very easy in laptop or PC or tablet. Right now, the most student will use cell phone. So I will show you if the student using how the display of cell phone in Android or iPhone. They can log in, start with login, and then ask them to find the search, type English, yeah, English or English, yeah, and search, yeah, or ID, yeah, 001212 developmental English, and then click. Okay, and then they can find enroll me. So very easy, right? Very easy, enroll me, and then just enroll, and you can monitor in your PC how many students already enrolled in your course, like this. Yeah, this is display. You can monitor when they start access, and then they do self-enrollment. There is a date, there is a time also in here. So it's very simple, but make sure and explain to students in the first meeting when you start the course how to use it, how to study with e-learning is very important. Please make a clear instruction to use your course by online learning. So I will close this video. If you have a question, please write in the comment below any question. I will be happy to answer as long as I can answer. Okay, the last time, don't go out, stay at home, keep healthy, be positive, and see you again with me, Pujo, in the next video. Bye.